In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable layer and channel previews on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. And then on the left panel, select Interface. And then on the right side, there should be something underneath Previews to say Enable Layer and Channel Previews. Check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference on that. And then select OK to confirm. And that's all you have to do. You may need to relaunch GIMP in order to save those settings, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.